Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract and display comments in Excel. So this method will work in older version of Excel and will also work in Excel 365. So I have these steps, and these are the steps that we are going to follow to, like I said, extract and display comments in Excel. So I have comments here. I have comments in line number 1, 2, no comment in line 3, but I have comments in line number 4. So Excel doesn't have a function to display comments So what we can do is actually use VBA code. So that's what I'm going to do, or we're going to do in this video. So first step is right click on the sheet and select view code. So right click on the sheet and select view code. And step 2 is right click on your sheet and insert and then module. So right click on your sheet, which is this one, sheet 1, insert module. And step 3 is paste this code here, copy and paste, and save it. And save your file as a macro enabled file. So I've done that already. So as you can see, I have this here in desktop. I have the file saved in desktop. So I'm just gonna replace it. And number 5 is basically you just have to type this function. So in this case, you can type it anywhere actually, but in this case, anywhere except column A. But in this case, I'm going to type it in column B. So just like that. But if you actually just type equals and get comment, yeah, you will have this function here, custom function. And what you can do is just click the cell that has a comment and just close. And you can drag it all the way to the line that has a comment. So that's how you can extract and display comments in Excel. If you have any questions, don't forget to, you can use the comment section below. And hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.